Diets like BPC-157 are trending in fitness and recovery circles, marketed as a way to speed healing, reduce inflammation, and help your body bounce back faster after workouts or injury. But here's the big question. Does Healthletic BPC-157 actually promote recovery, or is it mostly hype? Let's break it down. So BPC-157 stands for Body Protection Compound 157, a synthetic peptide based on a fragment of a protein sequence originally identified in gastric juice. Research in animals and early models suggest it may promote angiogenesis, new blood vessel growth, reduce inflammation, and help tissues like muscles, tendons, and ligaments heal faster. These effects are thought to involve blood flow and collagen-related pathways, not steroid-style growth. That sounds great, but the science and real-world evidence are important to understand. Here's the key point. Most of the strongest evidence for BPC-157 comes from preclinical models, animals, and tissue studies, which have shown improved recovery in muscle, tendon, ligament, and injury models. There are only very limited human data, with a small retrospective report showing reported pain relief in 7 of 12 people after BPC-157 injections, but that's not a huge controlled clinical trial. Importantly, BPC-157 is not approved by the FDA for human use, and quality control of many online peptide products is not regulated. So while the biology behind BPC-157 is intriguing, we don't have the high-quality human studies needed to confirm consistent recovery benefits or safety. User reports are mixed and anecdotal. Some people online say they notice reduced soreness and faster recovery from intense workouts or injuries after using BPC-157. Others report minimal change or no clear benefit at all. There are also quality and delivery issues with some vendors, delayed shipments, unsealed bottles, or customers feeling underwhelmed by results. These varied experiences reflect what many athletes and gym users find with experimental substances. Some individuals think it helps, others don't see much difference. Safety is crucial. BPC-157 is banned by major sporting bodies like the World Anti-Doping Agency, meaning athletes shouldn't use it in competition. It's generally sold as a research chemical, not a vetted supplement, so purity, dosage, and sterility can vary widely. Long-term safety in humans hasn't been established, and some experts warn about theoretical risks like unintended tissue growth due to its angiogenesis effects. This messy regulatory and safety picture is exactly why doctors and sports professionals urge caution. So does Healthletic BPC-157 actually promote body recovery? Possibly. In theory and in some anecdotal cases, yes. Preclinical research shows BPC-157 may help healing pathways, and some users report less soreness or faster recovery, but there's no solid clinical proof in humans. The substance isn't FDA approved, and product quality varies widely. The bottom line, BPC-157 is still experimental, not a guaranteed recovery booster, and anyone considering it should talk to a medical professional before trying it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.